This particular cohort, some officers were found unsuitable for a variety of reasons, which included human rights abuses, criminal activities, corruption, obstructing the course of justice or the course of criminal justice system, human trafficking, smuggling, forgery of academic certificates, submission of fake bank statements, unprofessional conduct, and failure to provide documents or information required by the Commission. The vetting of this cohort also brought into sharp focus the role of electronic money transfer, especially M-Pesa, in facilitating corruption. Through a scrutiny of M-Pesa statements, the Commission was able to establish a very worrying trend where junior officers remitted money to their seniors regularly. It also emerged that most M-Pesa kiosks within and around police stations are either owned or contracted by police officers for purposes of facilitating direct money transfers in order to cover up their tracks. The depositors are normally motorists or junior officers making transfers to their seniors. Ladies and gentlemen, investigations on the 31 officers whose results are being released today mostly centered on M-Pesa transactions. The Commission needed to probe deeper to check the propriety of these transactions and also to accord the officers an opportunity to offer an explanation before decisions are taken. And I'd like to inform you that out of the 31 officers whose results were pending, 24 have been found suitable and competent to continue serving, while 7 have been found unsuitable and stand removed from the service in accordance with the law and the vetting regulations. The officers may, however, request for a review of the decision by the Commission in line with the vetting regulation 33(1), provided the request is based on the discovery of a new or important matter which was not within their knowledge or could not be produced by the officer at the time the determination was made by the Commission, or on some mistake or error apparent on the face of the record, or any reason that the Commission considers just and proper in the administration of the vetting process. A request for a review shall act as a stay of the decision by the Commission, but the officer in question shall proceed on leave for the duration of the review. Ladies and gentlemen, the Commission would like to further state that in exercise of its disciplinary control powers, it has set up a committee in line with the regulations on discipline, specifically for the purpose of conducting one significant, important hearing and to recommend appropriate disciplinary action against an officer in this cohort who, although he passed vetting, has been found to have used the certificates of another person to get recruited into the service. A very serious offense indeed. And the Commission, having listened to what we obtained from the public, has found it necessary to to take this extraordinary step. Because at the time of the vetting, the allegation of impersonation had not been brought to the attention of the Commission. The officer, who is officially known as Mr. Nelson Omwenga Nyakundi, had gone undetected for 22 years, during which time he rose through the ranks to attain the rank of Superintendent of Police. The Commission would like to reiterate that passing the vetting does not preclude the Commission from taking action against officers where it is established that certain critical or crucial information was not available to the Commission at the time of making the determination. The next cohort, ladies and gentlemen, to be vetted represents a backbone of policing services in the country. As a matter of fact, the vetting of this cohort has already started. The only difference is we are taking a different dimension to vetting. Because as we have always emphasized, vetting is not the interview. Vetting is the whole process of establishing certain details about an officer's past work record until the time the vetting takes place. And we have put in place mechanisms, a process of evaluation that will combine both the interview and what we normally call summative evaluation. So through a summative evaluation process coupled with the interviewing process, which is formative, we should be able to arrive at the same results. It will be swifter, it will be more efficient, it will be time efficient. It includes this cohort. It includes chief inspectors and inspectors of police from both the Kenya Police and Administration Police Service. The officers whose vetting has already started are in charge of police stations and administration police posts. And these are the basic units of service delivery and the beginning point of the criminal justice system. Others to be vetted include officers in the Directorate of Criminal Investigations and traffic police officers. The Commission is in the process of compiling a list of these officers, who number approximately 12,000. And apart from the Commission's website, this list will be available on the National Police Service, the PRWG, and mygovernment.go.ke websites, so that the public can easily access that information. The Commission would like to appeal to members of the public as well as police officers who are serving and the former police officers to participate in the ongoing vetting process by submitting complaints or compliments online or through the post office or personal delivery to the Commission offices at the Sky Park offices here in Westlands. The Commission hopes to complete the vetting of these officers before the end of the 2015-2016 financial year, thanks to the rolling out of an internally developed vetting software program that captures data electronically, thus guaranteeing speed and efficiency. And as I've indicated, we have constituted a number of vetting panels which are working for very long hours here. If you had an opportunity to visit our offices, you should be able to find the vetting in session, minus the officers initially, but with their files and other records. And it is to determine thereafter, do we have very specific cases of serious interest either in terms of officers that have excelled beyond the others, or whose cases must be interrogated further through the process of a face-to-face interview. In conclusion, I would like, on behalf of the Commission, to thank our Secretariat for their commitment and dedication, and the officers for waiting patiently for their results, which we are just about to announce. I would also like to reiterate that our Commission, our commitment to execute our mandate without fear or favor and in accordance with the law and the regulations that we have put in place. Finally, on behalf of the Commission, I would like to give the breakdown of the results as follows. 7 police officers among the 31 whose results were pending were found unsuitable. They include Lawrence Martin Kariuki, who is a senior superintendent of police; William Meto Kiprotich, senior superintendent of police; Joseph Kipkemoi Kemeli, senior superintendent of police; Jackson Muriuki Magambo, superintendent of police; Joseph Olentutu Olenkiti, superintendent of police; Samuel Bore Kipwese, superintendent of police; and Peter Kemboi Chemos, an assistant superintendent of police. I want to state on behalf of the Commission that this information is also available on the Commission's website, www.npsc.go.ke. I take this opportunity to thank you all and to say God bless you.